हेलो स्टूडेंट। नाउ हमने प्रीवियस क्लासेस में कंसेप्चुअल हमने सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्सेस स्टडी किए थे एंड एग्जांपल्स भी हमने स्टडी किए थे सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स के। नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक एग्जांपल ऑफ सर्कुलर मोशंस के अंदर हमारे पास है अंडर में मोशन of a car on a level circular road. Level circular roads. Suppose we have a car. एक कार है जो हमारे पास लेवल सर्कुलर रोड पे हमारे पास कार्स मूवमेंट्स मोशंस कर रही है. Let a car of mass is small m be the moving on level circular road be moving on a level circular road of radius is small r. जो हमारे रोड्स है उसकी रेडियस है स्मॉल r एंड मास ऑफ कार इज स्मॉल m. रेडियस इज r with a speed is a small v. In these conditions, the forces acting on car, then the forces acting on the car are first force weight mg. Weight mg of the car directed vertical downward. mg इसकी जो वेट है, कार की जो वेट्स है mg, उसकी जो डायरेक्शन है वो वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड्स. फर्स्ट फोर्स एंड सेकंड फोर्स. द नॉर्मल रिएक्शंस आर capital R of the road directed vertically upward. Of the road directed vertically upward. This यहाँ पे three forces. mg weighted is a downward and normal reactions force is directed along the vertically upwards. And third force, the force of frictions small f, force of frictions small f directed toward the center of circular paths. Directed towards the center of the road, center of the circular road, center of the circular road. Then now normal reaction R is balanced by the weight mg, but normal reactions R is balanced by the weight mg. This is equation number First, force of frictions provides the necessary centripetal force, small f, provide the necessary centripetal force. Then centripetal force F is given by mv square upon r. This is equation number 2. But we know that force of frictions F, that is equal to mu r, and value of r, then F that is equal to mu mg, where mu is the coefficients of frictions. Mu is the coefficients of frictions. Then to prevent the skidding of car, to prevent the skidding of car, force of frictions is small f, should be equal to or greater than the required centripetal force. That means the force of frictions is greater than or equal to the centripetal force F, or capital F is less than or equal to small f. Putting the value of capital F is mv square upon r is less than or equal to mu mg. M to m clear out. Then we can write v square, that is less than or equal to mu r g, or v is less than or equal to square root transfer to right side, then goes to change into under root, then mu r g. This is our required expressions. Thank you.